Imagine your sales team just finished a great discovery call. The prospect is interested, but they need to loop in three other stakeholders, each with different priorities. Do you send three separate links with different demos and hope nothing gets lost? Or B, send one link to a curated demo center where each stakeholder finds exactly what they need. In this video, I'll show you exactly when and where demo centers drive the most value with specific use cases you can implement today. A demo center isn't just a folder of demos. It's a curated experience that guides buyers through your product story. Think of it like a Netflix homepage. Netflix doesn't show you every movie it's ever made. It shows you categories that match your interests with clear recommendations. Your demo center should do the same. According to our 2026 State of Interactive Demos research, 78% of teams use demos for multiple use cases. Demo centers are how you organize that complexity without overwhelming buyers. Here are some high-impact use cases for demo centers. The first is sales follow-ups. After a complex discovery call or a late-stage product demo, we recommend using a demo center instead of a single demo link to follow up. Include a high-level demo covering the main value prop, and add role-specific demos for specific stakeholders like IT, finance, or end users. And finally, include deeper dive demos on specific features that came up in conversation. This lets champions share one link internally and socially sell your product while ensuring each stakeholder sees relevant content. The second use case is partner enablement. Partners need to sell your product without deep training. A demo center gives them a quick overview of demos for initial conversations, technical deep dives for evaluation stages, and integration demos showing how you work with their stack. One link, always up to date, no version controlling nightmares. And finally, training and onboarding hubs is a very pertinent use case. Create a public demo center on your website or in your documentation as a self-serve resource, organized by product area, by use case, or industry. This extends your reach beyond just sales conversations and captures demand from buyers who prefer to research independently. Here are some places where you don't want to use demo centers. And demo centers aren't always the answer. Number one, early awareness. Top of funnel visitors often want and need simplicity. A 10-step homepage demo will convert better than a demo center with 8 options. Number two, single feature pages. If someone's on your analytics feature page, they probably want one focused demo, not a library of resources. And number three, time-sensitive follow-ups. If a prospect asks one specific question, you want to answer it directly with one interactive demo. Don't make them dig through a demo center. Use demo centers when buyers need to navigate multiple paths or share a lot of detail internally. Use single interactive demos when focus is the goal. To wrap up, demo centers scale your demo strategy by letting buyers self-navigate. Use them in sales follow-ups, outbound, partner enablement, and resource hubs. But keep single demos for focused, high-intent moments. And in the next video, I'll show you how to structure demo centers and guide users instead of overwhelming them. I'll see you there.